Figma is evolving fast, and if you're still designing the old-fashioned way, you might be missing out in some serious AI superpowers. Imagine generating high-quality avatars instantly, crafting UX copy better than Lorem Ipsum in seconds, or turning screenshots into fully editable Figma elements fast. Sounds like magic? It's just AI. In today's video, we're diving into the top Figma AI plugins that could drastically transform your workflow. Let's dive in. Hello, MJ here, and today we're gonna talk about 5 AI-powered Figma plugins that could save you hours of work and introduce new design efficiencies in your design process. So let's begin with UI Faces Free AI Avatars. Locating realistic avatars for mockups and personas can be time-consuming, but this plugin simplifies the process for you. UI Faces utilizes AI to generate diverse, high-quality avatars that seamlessly integrate into UI designs. Just open the plugin and select from the wide variety of AI-generated faces. Easy. Next, we have MagiCopy. This is an AI-powered tool designed to assist with UX writing placeholders. Whether you need realistic microcopy for headlines or maybe product descriptions, this plugin generates relevant suggestions based on your selections. Just select an industry, product name, copy type, overall tone, and language, and you'll get a placeholder that makes more sense than Lorem Ipsum. Of course, it is limited, and it's better for drafts or demos, not for final UX copy. But hey, it's free to use. Okay, for those who frequently work with images, Icons 8 Background Remover is a valuable asset because just with a single click, the tool eliminates backgrounds from images directly within Figma, removing the need for external editing software. Just open the plugin, select an image from your Figma file, and convert. Whether you required a transparent product image or maybe a professional picture, this plugin simplifies the process and it's also free to use. Moving forward, Codia AI Design. It's a remarkable tool that generates editable UI components from screenshots. Just imagine you have to update an old design that doesn't have a Figma file. You can just take a screenshot, paste it in your new Figma file, and ask Codia AI Design to convert it, and you'll have an editable Figma file in seconds. Pretty convenient, I would say, though this tool seems to have 5 free tries before it asks you for a payment. Now, for designers who frequently collaborate with developers or work on redesign projects, HTML to Figma may be an indispensable tool. This plugin converts any existing web page into editable Figma components. Imagine redesigning a client's website without access to the original design files. Instead of manually reconstructing the whole layout, this plugin extracts the key elements, including fonts, styles, and structure, directly into Figma. While it may not be flawless, but it significantly expedites the process. Each of these plugins offer unique advantages that could help enhance your design workflow. Which of these tools do you find most useful? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.